Hey, it's Mr. Burtis here. Real short video. Going to actually show you how to install an adapter for the dust collection system. And what I actually use is called a Fernco. You can get it at any plumbing department, in any hardware store. And the way you can figure it out is the diameter of your actual hose from your shop vac or your exhaust system, and the actual outer dimensions on the back of your saw. And this particular one, we're installing it on the Ryobi PBLTS01 8¼ inch 18 volt table saw. So we do the measurements, and we're just at 2 3/8, just under 2.5. So what I've done is this Fernco adapter is a 2-inch by 1.5 inch, and I got myself a wrench here. And I use these for all different types of tools. You can get different sizes and different step downs. I like these a lot because you can get these on tighter than some of the push-on ones that you can actually buy. So we take this, we put that around the port. That on. Put on our safety glasses, turn on our shop vac. And there you go. We've installed an adapter, a Fernco, to actually adapt to our hose. You can get different ones at different stores. Always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.